My name is Evelyn Moore. I am 28 years old. I work as a night receptionist at a small city hotel. People think this job is shameful. I never did. I grew up poor. I learned early that love can disappear, but money problems stay. So I promised myself one thing. I would always earn my own living. That promise cost me everything. I met Victor Hale 2 years ago. He was older than me. He spoke slowly. He looked calm. People trusted him. At first, he was kind. He listened when I spoke. He paid for dinner. He opened doors. He said he admired strong women. I believed him. When he learned about my job, his face changed. He said it was not a place for a good woman. He said men watched me. He said danger followed night work. I told him I needed my job. I told him I liked being independent. He smiled, but his eyes did not. Soon his kindness turned heavy. He asked where I went after work. He asked who spoke to me. He asked why I came home tired. I answered every question. Still, it was never enough. Victor wanted me to quit. He said he would take care of me. He said a woman should rest at home. I saw the red flag clearly. I told him no. That was the day anger moved into his heart. After that, he watched me closely. If I came home late, he was silent. If I smiled at my phone, his mood darkened. If I wore makeup, he asked who I was trying to please. I was loyal. I was tired. I was scared. One evening in October, the streets were loud. The sky was low and gray. I came home after a long shift. Victor was waiting in the dark living room. He did not shout. That was worse. He asked about a man from the hotel, a guest, a stranger. I told the truth. I always told the truth. But truth has a weak voice when anger is loud. That night, his words became sharp. He said I was lying. He said my job changed me. He said I enjoyed attention. I stood still. My hands were shaking. I told him I would never leave my work for fear. I told him love should not feel like a prison. He laughed. That was when I understood. Victor did not want love. He wanted control. From that night, everything broke slowly. He checked my phone. He followed me outside. He waited near my workplace. People started to look at me differently. Rumors travel faster than truth. One evening, Victor came to my job. His face was red. His voice was cold. He spoke to my manager before he spoke to me. The next day, I lost my job. Victor said it was for my own good. He said now I could be safe at home. I felt trapped. I packed my bag that same night. When I left, Victor stood at the door. He looked calm again. That scared me most. I never saw him after that. I moved to another city. I found another job. I started again. Sometimes at night, I remember his eyes, not angry, empty. I learned a hard truth. An angry lover does not love you. He fears losing control. And fear can destroy a woman faster than hate. I kept my independence. It cost me pain, but it saved my life.